Hey my lovely beautiful people, this is Tiffany Fernandez and I'm from Goa and I've started my pageantry journey in the year 2025. I'm so excited to share to you guys all my accomplishments from Miss Carnival to Miss Goa to Miss Supermodel Worldwide. Now Miss Carnival was a pageant that was carried out again by Sarvajit Sardesai and it had 3 rounds. First was introduction, second was talent, third was Q&A round. So we needed to pass all these 3 rounds and show off how we can show off our abilities and how we can do a lot of things in pressure. And the Q&A asked many general knowledge questions, many different topics questions that we needed to answer, laws or social media related, everything else. I used to do a lot of public speaking in college and that is how I came to know about this. Now, this had taught me a lot of things. This had taught me my walk, this had taught me how to be confident in public and everything. After this, I always wanted to aim for something bigger. I aimed for something bigger, which was Miss Goa, my favorite pageant, and I won Miss Goa. I'm super excited about it, and I'm just going to tell you all about my journey and life about it. So, it all started with the grooming sessions. We had grooming sessions on every Sunday, and they taught us many things like how to walk, how to go about it, how to present yourself in public, and everything in between, every minor things. Then we had a lot of activities. We had to stay in for 2 days we had to stay, and we had many activities which leveled up our skills. They seen our skills, they see our personality, behavior, and maybe a dancing, singing, fitness round, everything. And it was quality. It was basically a accumulation of quality of everything, and how you can bring yourself up and how you stand out in the crowd. So then we had a finals. I was really scared, and I was anticipating our finals to be good, but it was definitely, there was a lot of pressure, but in a good way, and it was really good. It went very smoothly, and we completed all the rounds. I worked hard for all these rounds and we made it, and I made it. So now this is about Miss Supermodel Worldwide India. This was such an honor to be part of Miss Supermodel Worldwide India, and I get to represent our state, Goa, which is definitely, I'm so grateful about it. I not only get to represent myself or my state, but the people of the state. The people of the state, we need more Goan youth to be representing on such international platforms, and I'm so grateful to be here. Now, for Miss Supermodel Worldwide India, there were many countries coming, and I was representing India, not only Goa, a much bigger platform than is India. So for me, it was an overwhelming experience. I loved it to every bit of it, but it was definitely very challenging too. We had many rounds like Miss Goa. We had we had to visit different places, and we needed to do a lot of photo shoots, and we needed to give a lot of interviews also, which was overwhelming to be in a different country all alone at this age, and to make a country proud. You want to do everything, you want to give your best to make your country proud, and that is what matters. So yeah, I've given my best. I've made Goa and India proud. Major thing is be humble, be empathetic, and be strong. This journey teaches a lot of things, and I made a lot of friends throughout all this journey. In Miss Supermodel Worldwide, I made such good friends, from different countries, and I was so excited to be there. It teaches you a lot, but there's also a lot of challenges that comes your way. There will be many people, who just demotivate you for no reason and put you down, but you need to have the confidence to stand up strong, and stand for your values, stand for your beliefs. Be kind, be empathetic, be humble, be down to earth. That's what I've learned, and what I am and what I always will be. I just want, my aim is to like how I went for an international platform. I want to uplift all the youth of Goa to really stand up and be in such platforms, and I will make sure I'll provide a platform where I can support and encourage everybody, mold everybody to be the best version of themselves. This is a message to my youth out there and to all the young people who are watching. Initially when I came into this industry, I was very scared when I was like, can I do it? Can I not? There were many people who were saying, oh, step back, you cannot do it, or maybe you can try later, or like whatever. But you need to have faith in yourself. You need to have that belief in yourself, and everything can be possible. And we really need to see more Goan youths to come out and represent Goa on an international platform, and it will be great to see us all at the top together and us achieving our limit, achieving more than our limits, and us being at the top together. I would really like to see all of you guys do your best. I will also be launching a few initiatives here and there. One of my initiatives will be like supporting and molding the Goan youth to go forward in life, and also a message to all the people in Goa is that please support your fellow Goans in whatever they are doing. If we do not support each other, who will bring us up in life? So we need to be, as a community, come together as a community and support each other, with love and peace and unity, and we need to show that to the rest of the world. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.